In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct company file and that you have the right permissions. Changing currency affects how your amounts display and can influence your reports, so it's best to do this intentionally and, if possible, before recording a lot of transactions. Start by looking to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and clicking the small gear icon. This opens your main settings menu. From here, choose Accounts and Settings. This is where you'll find most of the foundational preferences that control how your books behave. Once the Accounts and Settings window opens, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left. The Advanced tab groups together features that shape your overall accounting environment, including how currencies are handled. Inside the Advanced tab, look for the Currency section and click it to expand. This is the area where you can select the currency that QuickBooks uses for your amounts. Pick the currency you want from the available options. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one for your region or reporting needs. Your chosen currency determines how values appear on your dashboards and most reports, so accuracy here matters. If you notice that certain fields are locked or grayed out, that's usually because QuickBooks is protecting settings tied to existing transactions. In some cases, changing the currency after you've started using the file may be restricted. If that happens, pause and consider whether you need to create a new company file or consult an accounting professional before proceeding. It's better to check now than to undo work later. Once you've chosen the currency you want, click Save to apply the change. After saving, select Done to close out of Accounts and Settings. This confirms your choice and returns you to your main workspace. A quick tip: after changing currency, revisit a couple of key reports or lists to make sure everything looks the way you expect. If you work with customers or vendors in other countries, you may also want to explore your options for handling foreign amounts, exchange rate behavior, and how those will reflect on invoices and bills. Keeping this consistent will help your records stay clean and your reporting stay reliable. That's all there is to it. You click the gear icon, opened Accounts and Settings, went to the Advanced tab, adjusted your currency, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.